So we're logged into the Hamilton Public Library. We want to go to HPL Online and then Do It Yourself. And then in this window, we want to go to LinkedIn Learning, formerly Lydia.com. You'll have to put your library credentials in again, your PIN number, press continue, and it will take you to the platform that has all kinds of tutorials with the Adobe Creative Suite. And you can see this is my landing page where they have the elements of effective photographs in progress. And up here you can search, use Adobe Photoshop, you can go to Premiere Pro, put any search in there,